Is your MacBook slowing down? Your Apple computer? Maybe it's 3 years old, maybe more than that. If so, follow this video, follow the steps coming up in about a minute or so related to how to speed up your Mac. It just needs a bit of cleaning. You don't need any additional software like Clean My Mac, which costs something like $40 per year. It's just a rip-off. 5 minutes every month, and then your Mac is going to work a lot better, and you will see a significant amount of speed increase. So with this, I did actually make a video of this, maybe 3 years ago, and to clean your Mac, to make your Mac faster, just follow the simple steps. In fact, it hasn't changed. So what I'm going to leave you is with a 7-minute video of how to follow these instructions, and your Mac will last for years. Even downstairs in my house, I still have the 2015 Mac. It still works. It's not as fast, but it's pretty good for an 8-year-old computer. My Mac here is 2020, and now it's 2023. I do this process every month, and then it works near enough the same speed as I bought it. And I use my computer a lot, and I mean a lot. We all have computers. They are expensive, especially Apple. Sorry, Windows users don't know. But with Apple, let me show you for the next 7 minutes. Now, pause the video, try it, work it, and see if your Mac becomes faster. This is my Mac. It's a 2015 late edition of an 8GB, 1TB computer. It's slow. It crashes, but let me show you how to hopefully restore it to a near enough new condition. Enjoy. Here's the video. It is related to a problem that I had on my Mac. Now, my Mac is a late 2015 iMac, 8GB, 1TB hard drive, not a solid state drive. And for the last 4 years, near enough, it's worked perfectly. But ever since I updated to Catalina, the latest iMac or Mac system, it seemed to crash, and it started to run really slowly. And it's taken me about 3 months to find out what I needed to do. And I would like to share this with you. First of all, let's go through some basics. Let's go to System Preferences, and again, this is not a high-speed Mac because it's only at 8 gig. What we need to do is somehow speed it up a little bit. And I've just done this, and it doesn't seem to crash as much. So it's good news. And I also use Chrome. I don't use Safari because I had problems with that earlier. So this is my user group. And we're going to go to login items. Here you can see all my there's no login items at all. It's empty. But if there are, and it's something you don't need, just click on it and then use the minus button. That's the first step you need to do. Yep, these are all easy stuff, and a lot of websites and YouTube videos go there. The next one is that I am again using Google Chrome, so let's open that. Again, I've taken it off the login system, so it'll take a bit of time to start up, and I'm using the QuickTime here to there. All right, to clean up, first of all, clear browsing data. Now, I've just done this quite recently in the last couple of hours, and it seems to, so there won't be many like login items there. What do I need to do? Clear browsing data. It's going to take really quick because I've only got 1 MB, and done. Right? That's the basics. That's 2 things. The third thing, if we just go into the Finder and go to Go, and this is when it gets a little bit complicated, go to Computer. Now press Alt or Option on your Mac, yeah? Like so, and you get Library. So hold down that. Click on Library, and in a moment or two it will come up like this. You want to get rid of, first of all, your cache. So click on Cache, and you can see that I seem to keep on getting a lot of stuff like this. All you need to do is to highlight it, select all, and guess what? Put it into the bin. Done. Okay. You can go back and you can find cookies. Same thing, but my cookies is empty, but you do the same routine. We can go down a step further and you may find something called launch agents, which is here. I've got 2 from Google. I don't need them. So let's just highlight them and then send them to the bin. Like that. Okay. Couple of steps there. Don't do anything else. I actually got rid of my Safari, which is that one there, you can see, and because I really don't use it. Yep. So all this saved application state, you can get rid of this one as well. You don't need this. Highlight it, send it to the trash. Done. Okay. So there's all the things you can do with. Let me just explain that again. Go. Computer, press your option button and then click library. Got it? Now, if I go to my activity monitor, here it is. You can go get to this directly by going to your search button up here, and then you can go. And you want to see how much is being used of your system. Right, and it seems to be like all pretty stable. Like I've got 84% idle. Memory is going at 388. I only have 8 gigabytes. So 8 gigabytes nowadays is not enough really to multitask. So try not to open so many applications or so many websites on the same. And again, if you delete your cookies, etc., and cache on your web browser, it's going to be faster. This is one that I found on recommended to me, and this is called, you can see here, Malware Bytes, and this is already installed, so Malware Bytes. If I do a scan like this, hopefully it will come up in a moment or two. And what it's doing is scanning. Now I did this and I found one thing that I never even heard of and I got rid of it. Quite simply, it does it for you. There are paid editions. I'm just using the free one. And these are all the things that you need to do. Once you've done all that, I can't do it now, but just go into restart or shutdown, etc. You can actually do a manual disconnect and unplug the electricity for maybe like 20 seconds, 30 seconds and reconnect it, which is a better version, and then start it up. And ever since that, it seems to have got a lot faster. Not as close to the days when I first bought it at the end of 2015, and hopefully with this information, my computer won't crash and it'll be at a reasonable speed for one that's 4 years old. I hope this video helps. If you do have any questions, etc., etc., you can always leave a message on the comment form and I'll be happy to help you there. I'm not a computer expert, but I learned this and I just wanted to share it with you. You could say it's like a Christmas present, as today is Tuesday the 17th of December 2019. Have a Merry Christmas, have a very happy New Year, and again, I hope this video helped. I am out of here, but this is basically how to save your Mac. Bye-bye for now. I really hope you found that useful, and if you do have the time, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to the channel. It's not just about computers, it's so many different topics. It's a peripheral, a cacophony of topics related to Cambodia, China, my pussycats, living here, all these kind of things. So let's wish you a happy day wherever you are and give it a thumbs up if you think it's useful. Bye-bye for now. Cheers.